Good morning, student. Now we start the metrology, first chapter. Here we discussing the four topics: definition of metrology, scope of metrology, objectives of metrology, and the last one is your inspection. Now listen, the word metrology. Here the definition metrology. How we can divide in this metrology? Metro and logy. Logy is nothing but the science, and metro is nothing but your measurement. It is a science of measurement. Very simple. Metrology is a science of measurement. Means what exactly we study in the science of measurement? It's a study of establishment, conservations, and transfer units of measurement. That the terms called as a metrology. Metrology is nothing but a science of measurement, which deals the study of establishment, ज्याची स्थापना केली असेल, conservation त्याचं आपण संवर्धन करणार, and transfer units of measurement. That is called as a metrology. Means here we have to discuss the different types of instrument, processes, different types of methods of measurement. That all parts are included in metrology. Against the metrology plays very important role. That is, it's related, concerned to the precision, accuracy, then find out the errors. What are the different types of sources of error? All these errors are find out with the help of metrology. Means here first one is very important. That is, metrology is totally concerned to the science of measurement. म्हणजे काय, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मोजण्याचं शास्त्र असं म्हटलं तरी चालेल. दॅट इज द मेट्रोलॉजी. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज व्हॉट इज द स्कोप ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी. ज्यावेळेस आपण पुढे ॲडमिशन घेतो, एखादी स्ट्रिंगला जातो स्टडी करायला, त्यावेळेस आपण म्हणतो की याचा स्कोप काय. सेम लाईक दॅट मेट्रोलॉजीचा स्कोप काय. व्हॉट इज द स्कोप ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी. हिअर द फर्स्ट स्कोप इज मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग. राईट. द मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मीन्स metrology is to find out the ranges metrology is concerned to the manufacturing of various instruments. That is, कोणत्या पद्धतीचं आपण त्या ठिकाणी मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करतो इन्स्ट्रुमेंटचं, त्याच्याशी कन्सर्न असणार आहे. दॅट इज द स्कोप ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी. सेकंड वन इज युअर रेंज ऑफ कॅपेबिलिटी. मीन्स हाऊ वेल दॅट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग इन्स्ट्रुमेंट इज मेजर्ड. That is the ranges, minimum to the maximum. What are the different types of ranges? With the help of that instrument, you can measure the different quantity. That is the ranges and capability. त्याची क्षमता काय आहे, तो कशा पद्धतीने मोजू शकतो. That is the scope of metrology. Third one is your methods of measurements. Very important. That is methods of measurement. What are the different types of measurement? That is linear measurement, angular measurement, screw thread measurement, and gear measurement. There are the numbers of measurement. All these measurements we have to here see in the scope of metrology. And the last one is your, that is maintenance and repairing the standards. Maintenance and repairing the standard means here in the metrology there are the different types of instrument. Here the responsibility that you have to maintain and repair. Repair is nothing but the calibrate that as per the compare with the standard. That is the maintenance and repairing side. This one is your scope of metrology. This one is again very easy. Third one is very important. Here, objectives of metrology. That is, what are its objectives? Why we have to study the metrology? The main objective is standardization. Means in uniformity. ज्या ठिकाणी युनिकनेस आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल तर आपल्याला स्टँडर्डायझेशन हे असणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. दॅट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी. सेकंड वन इज युअर ॲक्युरेसी अँड प्रिसिजन. Objectives of metrology is totally concerned to the accuracy and precision. Means how much the accurate and precise of that instrument. That also included in the objectives of metrology. Next one is reduce the cost of inspection. Here, if the metrology is established, if the metrology is present in the industry, then you can easily reduce the cost of inspection. The customer satisfaction, that is the main against objective. Whenever you want to satisfy the customer, at that time you provide the product in a good well condition and proper functioning. How it is possible? It is possible with the help of different types of measurement instruments. Here the objectives of metrology are against the customer satisfaction. The next one is your reduce the repairs and rework. If any parts found the faulty or defective, at that times that parts repairs and rework with the help of predetermined standard. Means here against the calibration parts is included. The objectives of metrology is to reduce the repairs and rework. If the measurement is not carried out inspection is not carried out in the industry, then there is an increase of defective parts. At that time, you have to again provide the main cost to repairs and rework. When you want to reduce the repairs and rework, that is the objectives of methodology. Next one is your inspection. Inspection against the interesting part here. What do you mean by inspection? Inspection is nothing but the acts of checking the components at various stages. Here, this is nothing but the act. He एक कला आहे. It's the act of checking the component at various stages in manufacturing product. There are the numbers of manufacturing stages, from the raw material, purchasing the raw material, to the finished product. That at the different stages, the inspection is carried out. You want to check the parts. That part is as per your specifications or not. That is your responsibility. At that time, inspection is very important. So that's why the inspection is nothing but the act of checking the component at various stages. Now, what are its needs? काय गरज आहे आपल्याला याची इन्स्पेक्शनची? The first need is to ensure the product that whether you have whatever the parts, whatever the products, whatever the objectives of that industry, and that product is as per the confirmation, as per that specifications or not, that you have to ensure here. If inspection is not established, or inspection is not present in the industry, then you can't predict that product is as per the standards or not. Second one is find out the drawbacks and shortcomings. If the part is found out as a defective, then it's again the responsibility of that industry or that person that find out the drawbacks and shortcomings. What are the reasons why that part is found as a defective? That inspection cover here, the find out the drawbacks and shortcomings. What are the shortcomings and drawbacks while part is producing as a defective? Next one is removes the defective part. If any parts is found defective, then with the help of that inspection, you can easily reject that part. Removes the defective part. Okay, and last one is your coordinate all the department. This one is again the important. If inspection is present in the industry, then that inspection department is coordinate with the all departments. Purchasing department, production department, and transport department, all these departments are coordinate with each other so that more and more good and proper functioning parts are produced here. Okay, thank you so much. Again, we comes in the next lecture by covering the sources of errors and different parts. Thank you so much.